Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create or to make a blind bag of Roblox. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we are just going to see the requirements or the tools that you are going to use for this bag. So basically, you will need to have a tape, some papers. It can be either white or colored, however you like the design or the decoration of your bag to be. And of course, some paint or felt paint so you can start decorating and writing on your Roblox blind bag. And of course, you will need to have some rewards to put on the bag. So it can be either Roblox gift cards, it can be Roblox figurines, it can be any cards that you would like, or anything that you want to have inside that bag. And basically, now we are going to proceed on how you can start making this bag. So basically, you will just take one paper of the papers that you would like, either colored or white. You will need just to fold it only one time on half. After that, you will need to apply tape on it on all the sides, and you will need just to let the upper side until you put in the rewards on the bag or on the paper. And of course, you can then seal it. And of course, you will now to start like having designs on your blind bag. And of course, you can start applying your felt pen on it. And of course, you can start like, for example, trying to draw the logo. You can try to draw anything you like. Of course, you can have some kind of rarity of the bag like the common, rare, epic. You can have many designs on the internet and start like get inspired on the internet. And basically after that, you can be creative. For example, like to have the lines at the top or that says where you can or cut the bag so you can take off your rewards. And at the end, you will have something similar to that, and you can have now your bag or Roblox bag. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.